Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're doing a ton of upgrades on this MK6 GTI. It's a customer's car that we've had in quite a few times before. I haven't done any videos on it so far, but basically the spec of it already, it's got a full exhaust system, it's got an intake system and also a KO4 turbo kit from HPA. So upgraded from obviously the standard turbo to the larger KO4. And then the customer wanted to go for some handling, braking, and then some cooling upgrades as well. So we've got the Wagner Intercooler that's going to replace the standard intercooler. So that will keep the charge temperatures a lot cooler for a little bit higher power and then also more consistent power as well. We've got the Forged Motorsport catch can. Obviously these cars are notorious with the valves starting to block up with like carbon deposits. So this should potentially help that out. We've got the Eibach adjustable anti-roll bars, so reduce the body roll a little bit. It doesn't interfere with like the ride quality of the car. We've got some DS2500 brake pads, so that will improve the braking power. Some HEL brake lines, so that will improve the pedal feel of the car. And then some customer supplied brake discs as well. So that's going to upgrade the brakes quite a lot on this car, sort of like for fast road use. And then we've got the Wavetrac differential as well. Obviously we've done a ton of videos on these differentials before, so we're not going to bore you to death with the spec. But basically this is going to eliminate the torque steer. It's going to allow us to turn off the XDS. And also going to allow the customer to apply the power earlier coming out of the corners. So basically like coming out of roundabouts, much less understeer, it's actually going to pull you round. Sort of like long curves, anything like that, a lot less wheel spin, a lot more traction, just being able to enjoy the car. But yeah, so hope you enjoy it.